Okay, wait, what are we doing, guys? Do you remember what number we are? I think we go over here. Charlie, come here. We're 7106 and 7107. Oh, wait. Hey, guys. Keep walking.
Hello, look on bird.
Hey guys, please don't run. You guys say hi. Hey, wait.
Hello, are you looking for the seat center?
No, we're actually right here. Here, 7107. Thank you. That one's yours.
The seat center is just right in front.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Wanna
I'll
take
use
that?
my card.
This is, I think, your guys's. Yep, push down. Push.
Let's see. Whoa, our room's small.
Yes, I told you that, remember? Huh?
Wait, the TV's on. Where's you guys? TV's on.
Well, we're in the room next door. We're in this room. Here.
Security codes. We have a
I
security
think we have to,
camera.
I don't know
Sweet.
how we open it. We'll figure it out.
Is my card
So,
there?
guys, you haven't looked at everything. So there's the other bed up there.
I know. Sweet. I'll be sleeping
Here's the
on
bathroom.
tonight.
There's the light.
Oh, gross. Bathroom.
Oh, gross.
Whoa, gross. We get our own room.
Should we go look at my room?
Yeah. But yours.
Okay, Charlie, you want to check into my room?
Yeah, I'm in. Come on. Where's the light?
Outside.
I get to.
Be careful when you go out the door, okay? Make sure nobody's coming. Come on.
Right here.
Right there.
Use your card. Okay, it has to turn green.
Yep. Put it all the way in. Now pull it out. Okay, push. Hurry. Push.
Is it the same? No, it's kind of the same.
Come on in.
It's not.
Turn the light on. Come on in.
Turn on the lights.
Oh, God.
Whoa.
Great. They set this one up. Oh, this will be your room then, guys.
It is.
Yep, because it's got the two separate beds. And then the bed up there.
This is our room.
Yep, this can be your room, guys.
Yeah. Let's look in our bathroom.
Oh, look, you have a chair too, huh?
It's already on.
Ooh.
Okay, can we hang out in our room?
What do you want to do in here?
I don't know.
I don't. Oh, look at that.
Work! Yes. Hey, we're sneaking into another room. Yeah. Sweet hot chop.
So this is me and Dad's room.
I'll close the door. Sweet hot chop. Not a nut.
All right.